Hey guys, what's going on? Back to you with another video. Today we're going to be installing the door jamb switch on a 1999 Chevy Suburban. Same things for the Tahoe. You know, all the GMs, the pickup trucks. Got these door pin switches right here. As you can see, mine fell up in there and you can't pull it back, you know, through the hole. So I want to show you a quick way to do it. Is all you gotta do is put your key in ignition. Turn this lower this steering column right here. Turn that on. Alright, just pull the lever all the way down. You're gonna pop this out. Pull this out. Be careful not to break it, but it just pops right out. Be careful because this you can take it all the way out if you want to, but it's not necessary. I'm gonna show you. See that? That's the farthest I pulled it out. And if you look through there, you can get to it right there. I'm gonna reach my hand up under there and pull it. I mean, like I said, you can pull it all the way out and unplug the 4x4 stuff, but it's right here. And all you're gonna do, unplug this right here, lift this little tab up. See if I get my nails up under there. And it pulls right out. See that? Boom. Then I'm gonna feed this plug back through the hole. All right, as you can see, I plug back through the hole, and I'm gonna plug this in. And when you press it in there, this is what hold it in place. When you push it in there, that go in, and then when it go all the way in there, it pops up like that, so it won't slide back through. And these real common on these Chevy and GM vehicle trucks, SUVs, with these door jamb switches. And the reason why I put mine in, because every time I open mine on, I can't get the light to turn on. And plus I'm finna get ready to put an alarm on here too. And I wanted to be able to work with the this door, because all the other doors fine, like the back doors, light come on when you open it, except for this door right here. So let me plug that up and push it back in. All right. Now, like right now, I got the door open with the key ignition, and my interior light is not on. It's not registering that the door is open. So let me show you when I plug it in. See this? When you plug it in, make sure this tab right here is on top right there, so it'll click into that slot. So let me just basically show you guys. See if I can do this with one hand. Plug it. It should make a beeping noise, a chime. Hear that? Now it's registering that the door is open. And then you just push that back through, and voila. See how it clicked up in there? Chime off, chime on. And that's all it is to it. All right, guys, that's how you install a door jamb switch on a 1999 Chevy Suburban. Same thing for the GM vehicle, the Yukon, the Chevy 1500 pickups and stuff like that. So catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.